Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here in this video, we are going to share the details for the error code 0x00000036, 0x00000000x with the Xbox. This pesky code tends to appear when you attempt to update your console. It's a network-related hiccup, often caused by conflicts between your network settings and your Xbox. We've researched some potential fixes to help you tackle this tech headache. The first solution is a simple one. Reboot your Xbox and your network hardware. This method often works wonders because it clears out any temporary data that could be causing conflicts. So let's dive into the step-by-step process. Start by shutting down your router and disconnecting it from the power source. You're essentially giving it a short break. Next, do the same thing with your Xbox console. Turn it off completely and unplug it from the power source. This isn't just about turning off the screen, you want to make sure it's not getting any power at all. Now, the waiting game begins. Give it about 5 minutes. This pause allows your devices to clear their systems and start fresh. After the 5-minute mark, it's time to bring everything back to life. Reconnect your router and Xbox console to the power source and start them up. Once everything is up and running, try updating your Xbox console again. This should clear any temporary glitches that could be causing the error. If the error persists, it's time to test your internet connection. Grab your phone or laptop, connect to your Wi-Fi, and run an internet speed test. There are plenty of free online tools to help you do this. You're looking for two things here: speed and stability. If your speed is lower than expected or your connection is dropping out, there's a good chance this is the root of your Xbox troubles. Try resetting your router and testing again. Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. If you're still experiencing issues, it might be time to reach out to your internet service provider. Let them know what's going on and ask them to check your line. On the other hand, if your internet appears to be running smoothly with no hiccups, then it's time to dive a bit deeper. We'll get into that in the next section. Remember, a stable and speedy connection is key to smooth gaming. Still facing the error? It might be time to switch networks. If you've tried all the previous fixes and are still encountering issues, it could be that your home network is the root of the problem. So how about trying a different network? One simple way to do this is to connect your Xbox console over a mobile hotspot. This essentially turns your mobile device into a portable Wi-Fi network, allowing your console to connect to the internet through your mobile data. Just remember to keep an eye on your data usage, as gaming can consume a lot of data. If you find that your Xbox updates without issue on this new network, then it's pretty clear that the problem lies with your original internet connection. This could be due to a variety of reasons, such as network restrictions or even ISP-level issues. So, we've covered 3 potential fixes for the Xbox error code 0807360X00000000X00000000X. First, you can try rebooting your Xbox and network hardware. If the problem persists, test your internet connection to ensure it's stable and speedy. Lastly, if all else fails, consider connecting your Xbox to a different network. Remember, these are potential solutions, and results may vary depending on your specific situation. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.